Have you ever looked into someone's eyes and wondered, why are they blue, brown, green, or even gray? What makes each pair of eyes so unique, like a fingerprint of color? In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating science behind eye color, how it's determined, what it means, and even how it can change over time. But before we dive in, if this is your first time seeing this channel, you are welcome. Hit the like button, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss a thing while we grow together. Let's continue. Eye color is determined by a pigment called melanin, the same substance that gives color to your skin and hair. Your eyes aren't actually colored like paint. It's all about how light interacts with the pigment inside your iris, the circular part of your eye. Here's how it works. The iris has two layers, the front layer, stroma, and the back layer, epithelium. Both layers contain melanin, but in different amounts and patterns. The more melanin you have, the darker your eyes. The less melanin you have, the lighter they appear, because light scatters through the iris, creating shades like blue or green. It's the same optical trick that makes the sky look blue, a process called Rayleigh scattering. For decades, scientists thought eye color was controlled by a single gene, one for brown, one for blue. But the truth, it's much more complex. Modern research shows that up to 16 genes can influence your eye color, with the two most powerful being OCA2 and HERC2, both located on chromosome 15. OCA2 helps control how much melanin your iris produces. HERC2 acts like a switch, turning OCA2 on or off. That's why two brown-eyed parents can sometimes have a blue-eyed child. The genes interact in unpredictable ways. Your eye color is not just a mix of your parents' eyes. It's the outcome of a genetic light show happening inside your DNA. Let's break down the main eye colors and the science behind each one. Brown eyes, the most common eye color in the world, caused by high melanin levels in the iris. Found mostly in people of African, Asian, Middle Eastern, and South American descent. Brown eyes absorb more light, which is why they appear darker. Blue eyes. Blue eyes contain very little melanin. The blue color comes from light scattering, just like the sky. Interestingly, all blue-eyed people share a common ancestor who lived about 6,000, 10,000 years ago in the Black Sea region, where a genetic mutation turned off the brown eye gene. Green eyes, one of the rarest colors, caused by a small amount of melanin combined with a yellowish pigment called lipochrome. The blend of these pigments and light scattering gives the iris a green appearance, most common in people of Celtic or Northern European descent. Hazel eyes, a mix of green and brown pigments. Hazel eyes can appear to change color depending on lighting, clothing, or mood, because of the balance between melanin and light reflection. Gray eyes, very rare, only about 3% of people have them, caused by an even lower amount of melanin than blue eyes and different scattering of light due to collagen in the iris. Sometimes appear to shift from silver to blue or green under certain light. Amber eyes contain lipochrome, the same pigment that gives golden tones to animals' eyes. Appear golden, copper, or honey-colored, often seen in parts of Asia and South America. Some people have rare variations of eye color caused by genetics or medical conditions. Heterochromia, when each eye is a different color, or one eye has multiple shades. Or it can be genetic or caused by injury, disease, or medication. Albinism, extremely low or no melanin production, giving eyes a light blue, pink, or violet tint due to visible blood vessels. Anisocoria, not a color difference, but unequal pupil size that can make one eye appear darker. So can eye color change over time? Yes, but only slightly. Babies are often born with blue or gray eyes, which darken as melanin develops over the first few years. For adults, eye color can appear to change due to lighting and clothing, reflection effects, emotions, since the pupil size changes with mood, aging, which can slightly alter pigment concentration. However, a sudden permanent color change may indicate a medical issue and should always be checked by an eye specialist. Eye color is one of nature's most mesmerizing optical illusions, a perfect blend of genetics, physics, and biology. Whether brown or blue, green or gray, your eyes tell a story that began thousands of years ago, written in your DNA and shaped by the light around you. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just seeing color, you're seeing a reflection of evolution itself. Thanks for watching Atom of Curiosity, where science meets wonder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you learned something new today.